Meet Lori, an inspiring alumni who began her college journey later in life. As a non-native student, she found ANC to be an inclusive environment where everyone is welcome. Now, as a permanent member of the ANC family, Lori contributes as a faculty member teaching business and fostering the same welcoming atmosphere she once experienced. Lori, the floor is yours.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. I first came to Aaniiih Nakoda College about 15 years ago. I was a non-traditional student with a young family and a job, and I had just moved to the area. It was here at ANC that I first found a community to welcome me in. The instructors were engaging and welcomed questions and conversation. Even though I was older than many of my fellow students and not a Native American, I never felt excluded or other than. Clubs like Phi Theta Kappa and Red Lodge Society reinforce the values that are woven through every part of this school. Not only am I a proud alumni of ANC, but I'm also a faculty member. I'm the business instructor and faculty advisor for our local chapter of American Indigenous Business Leaders. As ABLE advisor, I get to help students develop their potential and take education beyond the classroom. At ANC, the student always comes first. Everyone here truly cares about the well-being and success of every student on campus, and it doesn't stop there. I attribute much of my success in my educational career and my work life after college to the staff and instructors all the way up to the president. There's no place like Aaniiih Nakoda College. As an alumni turned faculty member, it is truly my greatest pleasure and proudest achievement to be able to provide those same resources to my students and hopefully be the mentor that I was so fortunate to have when I was a student here. Alex, there's no place I'd rather be. Back to you.
Lori, you are a pivotal figure in so many students' lives. Your role as the faculty advisor for the American Indian Business Leaders Club has been invaluable. And it sounds like you've been instrumental in fostering a sense of belonging for all students. Thank you for sharing your story. Take care.